In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign an employee to a department in Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto admin account. Make sure you're using an account with the right permissions, since editing employee job details typically requires admin access. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on People. This is where you can view and manage employee profiles across your company. From the People section, find the employee you want to assign to a department and open their profile. Take a moment to confirm that you've selected the correct person before making any changes, especially if you manage a larger team or have employees with similar names. Next, scroll down until you reach the Work section of the employee's profile. This area contains important job-related information, including role details and organizational settings. In that section, click Edit next to the employee's job details so you can update their information. Once the editing panel opens, look for the department field. This is the setting that determines which department the employee belongs to inside Gusto. Click the drop-down menu and choose the appropriate department from the list. Be sure to select the option that best matches the employee's current role or reporting structure so your records stay accurate. If you don't see the department you need, that usually means it hasn't been created yet. In that case, create the new department first, then return to the employee's profile and repeat the process. That extra step helps keep your department list organized and ensures you're assigning employees correctly. After you've selected the right department, click Save to apply the changes. Saving is important here because if you leave the page without doing that, your update may not be recorded. Once the changes are saved, verify that the employee is now assigned to the correct department. You can do this by reviewing the updated information in the Work section and checking that the department appears exactly as expected. This quick confirmation helps prevent reporting or organizational errors later on. And that's it. Assigning an employee to a department in Gusto is a simple process once you know where to look. Keeping these details updated can make it easier to stay organized, manage teams, and maintain accurate records inside your account. Thanks for watching.